Good morning and Merry Christmas Eve.
Yes,
We are feeling rather festive. We've just been for breakfast with our nan and granddad, which was quite fun. Let's stand still because we're bouncing all over the place. They are so cute.
You know,
and
like
now,
typical grandparents, that is.
I'm just checking we're not blocking the path because we just did a dead stop. Yeah, so it was really lovely, wasn't it? So we spent a couple of hours with them, having breakfast, catching up, normal grandparent stories. It's lovely.
But the same stories you've been hearing for about 10 years.
Yeah, he likes to tell me the same story every time we see him. But, you know, that's grandparents and I love them and it was great.
It was a really nice morning.
Yeah, and now we're going to go and get Christopher's keys and go feed his cat because his housemate was supposed to do it and is not. So
She ran out of time this morning, I think,
Yeah.
so we're just going to go.
we're just going to go get his keys, go ride some buses. What else do you do on Christmas Eve?
Ride.
Yeah, we have nowhere else to be. Everyone else is doing stuff, so we're going to go ride some buses.
Yep.
Why not? Becca and I are still on the way to go and get Chris's keys.
Hello.
We just walked past all this. It's pretty wet. Like, there's a lot of floody puddle. Do you know what we both just said to each other? I really want to jump in.
I just want to see how big a splash it'd be.
Yeah. And we all know how deep it is. That's the kind of adults we are.
But neither of us have shoes that this is a good idea in.
No. Plus, like, we have to go get on the bus and we don't need to be soggy messes, but we just thought we'd let you have a little insight into what happens when Becca and I are out on our own.
It shouldn't be.
No. Becca's offended because somebody done the dinged the dinghy. Someone rang the bell before her on the bus. She wanted to push the button. Everyone else is running around Torquay stressed. Becca and I are walking around singing Christmas carols. I just got really excited because remember we have a voucher for buy one get one free Subway.
And literally not giving
A monkey's
care in the
uncle.
world.
No,
I do want to go in Waterstones though, because books.
because books. Also, look what the rain's done to my hair. I don't know if this is good or bad, but it's what's happening. Also, we are meeting Carl at some point, but he's at the bottom of town, and we're not. Go back home. This one's also here. And I might have randomly bought about 5 packets of these while we were in town because we didn't need anything. And she isn't a very good supervisor.
Oh, Bex.
Oh yeah. So I know I've got at least one double because I've just found out the ones, let's see if I can do this, that I already have, and there's a Mufasa here. And I bought Mufasa here. So if you're watching and you need Mufasa, let me know. But now I'm going to open all of these. We already opened one on the bus because, well, because it's us. And there was no one supervising us, but let me show you what we've got. So this one we know we have an Abu, and this is the one we actually opened on the bus. So
Did you say
there
Anna
he is.
Boob?
No. In his little jacket and his little hat. And then, oh, over he goes. I have my second super rare, which is Pumbaa, and he is awesome. Did you want to open one, Lot? You seem
Me?
really intrigued.
I am intrigued.
Which one's the one you can see? Lady.
Lady. Yeah.
Oh, lady. There you go. Oh,
Oh, too much?
no, it was just me. I dropped the camera. Who's hiding? Do you know who it is?
No.
Turn him. Hans.
Oh.
Have you even seen that one now?
Yeah. Did you want to open one?
Why not? I had the fairy godmother.
This one lost an eye.
Fail.
And we have Piglet.
Oh, yay! Which is another one of the rare ones, so we're doing pretty good. Good old Poundland.
Oh, is that where they're from? Poundland?
Yeah. Not originally, obviously. But.
That's where we
Right.
found them.
So we have Simba. Hang on, I might need to stop recording for a minute.
Do we need to?
Okay. Ooh, I see shininess. Oh no. Not that shiny.
Bullseye.
I believe
Buddy,
this,
you killed it!
this is his own toy, by the way. He's
Oh.
allowed to kill it.
He's had
I
it
have
about
a
5 minutes
Bullseye
now.
and a Simba. We're on that bit. There we go. We just squish them in. And then we have a Mufasa in here that we now know is a double. But I was pretty sure I had one of them. I just couldn't remember which one. So I bought both anyway. And it is, ooh, another rare one. And it is Donald. Not that that's focusing because it's a smushy one. Nope, doesn't want to focus. But it is Donald, trust me.
He has a tiny hat.
Hal's going to open his advent calendar for today because it's a really random thing, but I'm quite excited.
Oh, is it the one that we wanted?
Yeah.
Really?
It smells like Malibu. Oh, cool.
It's a Tamagotchi, because why the heck not?
As if you don't have enough animals that will die if you don't
Thank
feed them.
And there's dog parenting advice from Becca.
Well, feed them or they will die.
Also,
Yeah.
this smells like Malibu.
They're playing with the glam glow I got yesterday.
Glam glow,
It looks
Tamagotchi.
So, we are back. We've done the houseworky bits we needed to do, as you can probably hear from the tumble dryer. Becca and I are PJ'd up. Got my thumper PJs. Beck is a wizard with some pointiness issues. And now we are going to decorate our own macaroons. Thank you to Iceland. Not that they sent it to me. I mean, I bought it, but they made this thing, and we are now going to make these things into cute reindeers. We've all done our little reindeers, so you can vote for whose is the best. If you let us know number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, and we will give ourselves a prize for the best reindeer.
Eat the macarons.
Yeah, I don't know, but we're gonna eat these now. And the Christmas Eve buffet is underway. I'm so excited for this. Yeah. The official Christmas Eve tradition has begun.
I'm a big elf.
I have a Mrs. Claus dressing gown. We're playing more Monopoly. We have a few drinks on the go.
There's glittery cocktails.
Yes, we do. Very nice. Buddy feels a bit left out, so he's joining us. I'm currently in jail. I probably did it. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
It's midnight. Say Merry Christmas.
And the same as every year, we are still playing Monopoly.
Yep. And we're going to get under our tree and open a present because that's what we do. Because we're naughty and impatient and we can't wait another like 6 hours. 8 hours. Maybe 9. Either way, we're going to open a present now and then we can say goodnight to you guys. I got a peppermint candy cane bar, which technically I bought myself, but it's fine because that's what I wanted to open because I knew what it was. What did you get?
Candles!
And what did you get?
L'Oreal Men Expert Black Charcoal Face Wash.
Obviously, we always make sure it's a little present Christmas Eve. But yeah, presents opened. We're going to finish our game of Monopoly and probably crash out. So we will
Might be home. You never know.
yeah, we will see you in the morning for Christmas Day. Night, guys.